Help him up. Help him up. All right, you all right? All right now. Check out a fellow player. Make sure he's all right.
Slow ball ballers.
Dumb him out. Dumb him out. All right, he's safe, man. Dumb him out. Dumb him out. Get him out.
Cat Dog, how much you got?
Wow.
Tim, how much you got?
Me?
How much?
They not keeping the box?
Oh. Oh my God. 54-79.
74-79.
Who's up? Who's up? Slow bomb ballers?
That's right.
Slow bomb ballers, that's right. Slow bomb ballers is up. You already know.
Slow bombs in the house. They're representing.
All right now.
They're playing good too.
Big E, what up? I see you.
I'm talking about it. You can do that over.
So it's a good game, right? Good competitive game.
It's God's
Yeah.
thing.
Amen. Amen.
2 years that boy was there.
Amen. Yeah, we be down here every day. I be down here with the kids all the time playing with them. Amen. Biz from downtown. Foul?
All right, God bless.
Good game, y'all.
Let's come together.
Cat, how much you drop, Cat?
Quarter, and then we'll come and end the game.
Cat, how much you drop, Cat? Tim, how much you drop? Who won? Slow bomb?
Yeah.
Slow bomb ballers, of course. You already know, but definitely a good game.
We had no bench. We had one person on the bench the whole game.
Yeah, so you know,
We had subs.
it's all good.
It was fresh.